This video is for educational purposes only. We shall not be held responsible for any misuse of the provided content. In the previous video, I showed you how to configure HTTP Custom using SSH account, SNI, and a payload. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually use the other types of payloads, since in that one we've used a HTTP payload only, and I say that in the next video I'll show you how to use the other payloads. So let me show you how you can actually do that. This is where we've left off in the previous video. So for those who didn't watch that one, let me show you what we've done here. Just go to snihost.com and then go to tools, go to SNI generator, and then you'll generate SNI here for your country. Just select any country of your choice. Make sure that it is your exact country. Once selected, your SNI will be generated over here. Then you're going to copy one of the provided SNIs, just like I've done over here. And this is what I've done. I've pasted the SNI over here, and then you take that SNI just like this. Then you go to payload generator, and then on payload generator you paste that SNI over here, and then you paste your server name. The server name is the one you've got while you're creating a SSH account. So if you didn't watch the video where I've showed you how to create an SSH account, you can watch it over here. After creating your SSH account, you can come back and continue this video. Now that you have your SSH account, and then you're going to copy this one over here, your server name, then you're going to paste it here over here. Now that you've done that, as you can see, we have three types of payloads. In the previous video, I showed you how to use this payload. Now I'm going to show you how to use either this payload or this payload. So let me show you that. Let's copy both the payloads. Let's remove the old payload. Then you're going to paste both of the payloads. And the first one. Then I'm going to paste the last one. Remember, the first one is the TLS or SSL. The last one is the reversed payload. So let me show you how you can actually configure them on HTTP Custom. Let's clear everything here. Let's start afresh, and let's clear everything. Let's copy the SNI, paste it over here. Once you've done that, you're going to put on your port, which is 443, and then you're going to put on your username. Let's copy this one over here, paste it here, and then you're going to put on your password. So let's go ahead and put our password just like that. Next, what you're going to do is to copy one of the provided payloads. So copy one of them. The reason why I'm saying copy one of them, this might differ depending on the type of SNI which you're using and your country and the network. There are other factors which are impacting how you get connected. To make this easy, I've made the payloads so that you can just copy one of them, try it out. If it doesn't work, use the other one. Simple as that. So now you just go back to the navigation, then you click on payloads. Now you're going to paste in your payload over here. After doing that, you're going to click on apply. Then you're going to go to your navigation again. You're going to put on SNI. Now instead of putting your SNI here, you're going to put on your server name. As I've said, this is the opposite of what you've done before. So paste this one, and then you're going to click on apply. This will differ depending on the SNI, but for some, if the previous method which I've shown you doesn't work, this one might work. So what you're going to do is to click on connect. Then you're going to wait until you see if you're connected or not. As you can see, for this type of SNI, this method doesn't work at all. But let's change the payload. So you just stop this one, you switch the payload. So go to payload, and then you copy the second one. Try the second one just like that. You paste it, and then you apply. So after applying, you just click on connect. As you can see, we just have to wait and see if we are getting connected or not. As you can see right now, we are no longer getting that error. We are getting connected. If your SNI doesn't connect just like this one, but it says 200 okay, just like I was showing you, where is it? That means your SNI is active, it's working well. That means you have to switch the methods which you are using to get connected. You can try V2Ray, you can try you can also try V2Ray with the same SNI, and I guarantee you would get connected. As you can see, it was just a configuration issue. As you can see, we now got connected. So sometimes you just need to be patient. Sometimes you just need to be patient, and you will eventually get connected. If you see it says 200 okay, that means you are getting a response. You will get connected. So in other countries, when generating SNI, you might come across something like this over here, where you have your SNI as an IP, you have your payload just like this, which doesn't even make sense, and then you'll have a proxy like this. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to use these to get connected to the internet with HTTP Custom. If you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or suggestions, don't hesitate to leave them below, and of course don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss our upcoming videos. Until then, take care, peace.